Okay, here's the SJ4000, and let's talk about the motion detection function of this camera. So if the camera detects some motion in front of the lens, then it automatically starts recording. That can be good if you use it as a surveillance camera, but it can be very bad if you start moving the camera or something else moves in front of it and it's always recording. Okay, so power on the camera, and let's see what's doing now. Yes, that icon is there with the letter F on it, that arrow. Okay, and if I make some movement in front of it, then it's recording. Okay, stop it. It stopped, but if I make some movement again, then it's recording again. Okay, so if you want to disable that one, go to the menu. Now it's recording again. Stop, menu. Now it's logged again. Menu. Press it a few times. Okay, and here in the menu, on the first page out of 8, go down using the arrow keys, and here we have motion detection. Enter that one using the button on the top. Okay, and set it to off. Accept it. Get out from the menu. Okay, and now that sign is not there on the top, and of course it's not recording either. Okay, so that was the motion detection function of this SJ4000 camera.